Products over talent, products over talent. What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to give you an update. So, I got my welding position stand completed. As you see, it has a strong support. It has a 1/4 inch table support for your grinder, rod brush, chip and hammer, whatnot, your test plate. I also have it where you can do the 6G, and that's why it's positional up there at the top. You can kind of angle it to do the 6G. Everything moves. It's easy to maneuver around, and it's not real heavy, but the plate is heavy at the bottom, so it's a 1/4 inch plate. Everything worked out pretty good. So I just wanted to say, hey, with this one, I wanted to be able to help do welding sessions and also have my own personal product for those who actually want to buy something from someone that actually made it themselves, handmade. Products over talent.